Hello Purva, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. So welcome back all the students on your class of social science. The geography part we are dealing. So Purva, आज क्या करने का मूड है आपका?
Ma'am, as we were talking about our country, that is India, so let's introduce to our kids about India.
ओह दैट्स अ गुड आइडिया। पता है मुझे ना बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है पूर्वा कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश की कैपिटल क्या है। मुझे बस 5-6 कैपिटल्स ही याद है, बहुत ज़्यादा इंडिया की कैपिटल्स मुझे याद नहीं रहती हैं, उसका क्या करें?
Ma'am, so let's see this video and with this video आपको सारी capitals याद हो जाएंगी. So isn't a good idea?
आर यू श्योर?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so I would love to have in my tips all the capitals. मुझसे कोई पूछे यूपी की कैपिटल लखनऊ, अरुणाचल प्रदेश की कैपिटल, अब मैं रुक गई तो
Amravati. Amravati. तो मैम आप ये वीडियो देखेंगे तो सबको टिप्स पे कैपिटल्स लर्न होने वाली है एंड दिस इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस वीडियो नाउ.
ओके एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा कि मुझे अपने देश की 29 स्टेट्स और 7 यूनियन टेरिटरीज का कैपिटल और उसमें जो लोग रहते हैं उनकी कौन सी भाषा चलती है वो पता हो। तो आई थिंक आई विल बी लिटिल मोर स्मार्टर देन एनीबडी एल्स इन माय क्लास। So
Yes, then
let's
you
see.
can answer these things at least about your own country, which you should know.
या सो चलो देखते हैं कैसे होगा ये।
Yes, ma'am.
सो दिस इज द इंडिया मैप एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आंध्र प्रदेश। ओके, आंध्र प्रदेश इज डाउन साउथ एंड देयर वी हैव कैपिटल हैदराबाद। और यहाँ के लोग तेलुगु बोलते हैं। और हमारे स्कूल में भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आंध्र प्रदेश से हैं। सो दिस
Yes.
इज यू।
Next is अरुणाचल प्रदेश और यहाँ का कैपिटल है ईटानगर और यहाँ पे लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश बोली जाती है. So अरुणाचल प्रदेश, ईटानगर.
And I find this part of India as a cock top, मतलब एक कॉक का हेड लगता है ना, ये लगता है इंडिया
Yes,
का एक
ma'am.
मुर्गे का हेड है दिस अरुणाचल प्रदेश।
Exactly. Yes.
ओके, सो व्हेन वी गो टू अरुणाचल प्रदेश हम इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे।
Okay.
ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट कैपिटल एंड स्टेट कमिंग अप। Oh, we have Assam. And Assam capital is Dispur, and people, those who stay in Assam, they talk Assamese. So the language is Assamese.
Yes. So next is Bihar and the capital is Patna and language they talk mostly in Hindi and Magadhi. They have two languages over there. Generally, people talk Magdi and Hindi.
यहाँ का लिट्टी चोखा बहुत फेमस है। पूर्वा कभी
Yes,
जाओ तो खा के आना।
I heard about it a lot, ma'am.
Yes. Now this is Chhattisgarh, and the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur, and it is a new state, I think. And the language we speak here is Chhattisgarhi and Hindi. So here we have the next state.
So next state we have Goa, one of my favorite place, and the capital is Panji, and the language we speak over here is Konkani.
Okay, Goa is a coastal state, right?
Yes.
Now we have Gujarat, and Gujarat we have language Gujarati, and the capital of Gujarat is गांधीनगर। मैं तो कई बार कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ, अहमदाबाद कैपिटल है कि गांधीनगर कैपिटल है। आज क्लियर हुआ गांधीनगर कैपिटल है।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके,
Next we have Haryana and we have the capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. यहाँ पे language होती है Hindi and Haryanvi. People talk Haryani and it seems little different language. थोड़े rude
हाँ
type लगता है.
हाँ, बात करते हैं तो लगता है लड़ाई कर रहे हैं।
Exactly.
And then we have Himachal Pradesh, and the capital is Shimla. और लैंग्वेज यहाँ पे पहाड़ी जगह है तो पहाड़ी भाषा में बात करते हैं और हिंदी में भी बात करते हैं। सो यू स्टिल रिमेम्बर वी वेंट टू ऑन
Yes,
अ
on the
टूर
trip.
टू शिमला।
Yes, it was an
सो
amazing
वन
tour.
ऑफ द यस अमेजिंग ट्रिप, यस। So here we have the Taj of India, that is Jammu and Kashmir on the top, and we
Yes,
have Srinagar as a summer capital and Jammu as a winter capital.
yes,
And
ma'am.
two languages we have, that is Dogri and I missed it.
Generally, people
I don't
talk
know
over there
where
in
is
Dogri.
this, and I think some internet in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, ma'am. People generally talk in Dogri. They use mostly Dogri language.
Okay, this is an ad, I think. Okay, and have you been to Jammu and Kashmir?
No, ma'am.
Are you there?
But I would
Okay,
like
no,
to.
I've been. Yes, you should go. So here is your next state, Jharkhand. You can talk about it.
Jharkhand. And the capital is Ranchi. And the language they talk here is Hindi.
So students can identify which places are coming in our from our map. So we got Karnataka from down south again. Here the capital is Bangalore. Earlier it was Bangalore, and people
Yes,
speak language here, that is Kannada.
Kannada.
Kannada is the official language there. And
Yes.
then we have Karela.
Kerala.
Kerala, you
Yes.
can
And the
still
capital.
remember it. It is the shape of Karela only if you see. So
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
remember
You're right.
Karela and
So with
Kerala.
we can remember it this way. जो एक करेले जैसी shape में होगा, that is Kerala. So we
Yes.
have the capital here is Trivandrum. And the language they speak is Malayalam. Malayalam is a kind of very different language. If you heard some Malayalam people, it's kind of you cannot understand what they're speaking actually.
Yeah, it happens with most language. Some languages, like if you see, uh, now we have Madhya Pradesh, MP, the center of India, and Bhopal is the capital, and language is Hindi. So some languages are quite different. Some are easy, like Punjabi. If people speak, you will understand.
Yes. Then we have Maharashtra, and the capital is Mumbai. सबको पता है Maharashtra and Mumbai, and the language is Marathi over there. They speak in Marathi, which is I think it's a good language, ma'am. Marathi everybody should know. It's a nice language.
Now we have Manipur from the Seven Sisters, and then the capital is Imphal, and the language they speak here is Manipuri. वो मणिपुरी में डांस होता है ना, वो बड़ा सा गोल ड्रेस
Yes.
पहन के, दैट इज अ गुड डांस.
Next is Meghalaya. This is and the capital is Shillong, and the language there they speak is English and Garo.
Yes, so you can go to Shillong, and there you can talk in English. People will very well understand you. And then
Yes.
we have Mizoram, capital is Aizawl, and language is Maizo. I don't know Maizo. थोड़ा गूगल करेंगे माइजो सीखने के लिए.
Yes. Next is Nagaland, and the capital is Kohima, and there they speak English.
पूरा इतना कुछ है इंडिया में देखने के लिए, इसका टूर भी करना चाहिए. बकेट लिस्ट में बहुत सारी चीजें ऐड हो जाएंगी.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Now we have Odisha. Earlier it was Odisha. Now it is Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital, and Odia is the language.
Next we have Punjab, and the capital is Chandigarh, and obviously they speak Punjabi.
Okay, then again some ad is coming up. Have you been to Punjab?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Punjab is full of greenery, lot of farms there, and amazing food. Here comes
Yes.
Rajasthan.
So we are
Capital
in
is Jaipur.
Rajasthan.
We speak Rajasthani. Padharo Mara Des.
Marwadi.
Okay.
So next we have Sikkim, and the capital is Gangtok, and here people speak Nepali and Bhutia.
So it's near Nepal. I think it has
Yes,
the effect of Nepal.
that's why they speak Nepali also over there.
And then we have Tamil Nadu from down south. Capital is Chennai. And here also people talk Tamil. So if you see down south, we have language like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. They're all different.
Yes. Next we have
And we have
Telangana. Yes, ma'am.
the capital again is Hyderabad here, and language is Telugu. Yes,
Next we
Purva, you can take this.
next we have Tripura, and there the capital is Agartala, and the language they speak is Bengali and Tripuri. Agartala is the capital of Tripura.
Agartala is capital of Tripura. अगर नहीं तला तो okay. We have Uttar Pradesh. Capital is Lucknow. Language we speak here is Hindi and Urdu. So नवाबी शहर है लखनऊ और वहाँ
Bilkul.
पे नवाबी लैंग्वेज है हमारी उर्दू. And
Yes.
here we have the last thing, Purva, you can take up.
This is Uttarakhand, and the capital is Dehradun. And the language they speak is Hindi and Sanskrit. Wow, ma'am, they speak in Sanskrit. This is nice.
Okay, I think we still have last one. This is West Bengal. Calcutta is the
West
capital.
Bengal,
पहले
and the
कलकत्ता
capital is
बोलते थे.
Kolkata, and the language they speak
Yes.
is Bengali and English.
Now we have 7 union territories coming up. अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड्स, इनका कैपिटल है पोर्ट ब्लेयर, एंड पीपल स्पीक लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. So this is our first union territory. Yes, you can take this up. Our next is Lakshadweep, and capital is Kavarati. English and Malayalam is what people speak here. Okay, I think there is some problem with my network. And you, and capital is Daman. Language is English, Gujarati, Hindi, and Marathi. So this is the third union territory we have. Chandigarh is also a union territory now, and for Chandigarh we have capital Chandigarh only, and language they speak there English, Hindi, and Punjabi. Then Pondicherry is also a union territory. People speak French and Tamil here. It's Puducherry, Pondicherry. And then we have New Delhi as the national capital territory of India. New Delhi is the capital itself, and people here speak English, Hindi, Punjabi, and Urdu. And I think one we missed was Dadar and Nagar Haveli. So thank you for watching this video. It was nice connecting with you all. Please get going with this video, understand. Thank you. We complete the video here. We have completed all the seven
I'm back.
7 union territories, and we have completed 29 states. So there was some network problem.
Yes, ma'am.
So thank you, Purva, for
Ma'am,
creating this for us.
I want
I
to
think I
say
will
a few
watch
things.
this video once again.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
I just want to tell that why we have these union territories different from the state. Like state is governed by the government, right? But the union territories are all controlled by the central government. And here in the state we have our head, which is a chief minister. But हमारा जो union territory होता है, इसका head होता है lieutenant. We don't have the chief minister in the union territories. We have lieutenant over there. एंड हमारा जो यूनियन टेरिटरी का प्रेसिडेंट होता है, वो एग्जीक्यूटिव हेड होता है, दैट इज प्रेसिडेंट. सो दिस इज समथिंग everybody should know that why union territories are different from the state.
Okay, nice. Thank you, Purva, for creating it. And I hope people have understood different states and capitals. And we look forward to some more video from you regarding India. So let's cover our country's natural vegetation and the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats, along with all the major rivers we have in India. And we'll do it tomorrow. And I hope all of you watch it again, because ma'am is going to ask some quiz tomorrow. So she might give you a worksheet which you have to do it. So plan it what you want to do. Just go back, do this, go through this video again so that things go here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, and hello to Tutu and Doggo. How are you, Tutu?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am very well. How are you, Dogo? Dogo, are you able to listen to me? Okay. So I think there is some technical network problem with Dogo. Once he will be there with us, he will answer us. Dogo, are you able to listen? ओके टुट्टू, आज आपको पता है हम आपको एसएससी के सीरीज में क्या कराने वाले हैं?
हाँ, I think हम आज एक बुक पढ़ेंगे of North America.
ओह वेरी गुड, सो यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड. सो मैंने आप लोगों को डिफरेंट कॉन्टिनेंट्स दिखाए थे, और आज मैं आपको अपने फेवरेट कॉन्टिनेंट पे लेके चलती हूँ. और पहले मैं आपको वो बुक दिखाऊंगी, उसके बाद मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी कि आपको उसमें क्या अच्छा लगा. ओके, or maybe you can ask some questions from me from the book. So here is the book. Are you able to see, Tutu? No. Yes.
Yes, we can see it.
Yes. So I am taking you forward now. This is the book on North America by Mary Landine. और ये हमारी एपिक लाइब्रेरी में बुक नंबर 56294 है. ठीक है. So let's move on. So आप can you identify which color is North America continent?
Maroon.
It's
Maroon.
maroon.
Yes, Doggo. Thank you for giving answer. How are you, Doggo?
I'm super awesome.
Okay. Doggo, can you tell me which ocean lies in the east of North America? Look at the map.
Pacific Ocean.
Oh no, east. I'm talking about east of North America, not west. At west we have Pacific Ocean. At east we have what we have to do in the east.
Let's check.
You can look at the map.
I don't remember.
You can look at the map right now.
Atlantic Ocean.
Yes, Doggo. Atlantic Ocean is on the east of North America. And there are four big countries in North America. Can you identify, Doggo, four big countries in North America? From the map, you are able to see. Are you able to see the
Canada.
map? Yes, Canada is
Yes.
one. And then next is Greenland. And you have United States, and then you have
And
Mexico.
Mexico.
Yes.
Mexico,
North America
taco,
covers more than 9 million
taco,
square
taco.
miles. There are some Caribbean islands. Are amazing islands. Can you see the photo of a Caribbean island I'm just showing you? They are Caribbean
Yes.
islands in Caribbean Sea, and they are amazing islands. Lot of surfing, lot of fishing there. Doggo, you
It
like
looks very
surfing?
sunny.
Yes.
I like shopping. I do like this. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
Okay, now let's see the grasslands. North America has high mountains and flat grassland. It has swamps, forest, and desert. It has even big volcanoes. Tutu, can you see the animal
Ma'am,
on the
ma'am,
board? Yes,
Oh my
ma'am,
doggo.
god.
m- ma'am, is the volcano the one that uh, go pow pow bam bam?
I'm
What do you mean
scared.
by pow pow bam bam?
When
Volcano?
volcano explode.
Yeah, volcano explode and they give out hot molten lava. And
Chocolate
now
cake.
no, I'm not talking about choco lava cake. I'm talking about volcanoes giving out hot molten lava. But yes, I know you are hungry and missing Domino's, your choco lava. Don't worry, doggo. Once we will be free from coronavirus, I will take you to Domino's and feed you n number of choco lavas.
Thank you, ma'am.
And in North America, at the extreme north, we have North Pole, and there we will get this white, fluffy polar bear. Tutu, I think you have a friend polar bear with you.
Oh, they will be my best friend.
Yes, Dogo, can you bring your polar bear best friend tomorrow?
Yes, I'll call him from Zoom call.
Okay, and I think Tutu has gone out. Let me introduce Tutu back. And we have Purva ma'am also with us. So let us take Purva ma'am as well on the screen. So yes, we are four of us right now. So hi
Hello
Purva ma'am.
everyone. Hello everyone. Hello Tutu. Hello Dogo. Hello ma'am.
Hello Purva. So
Hello.
Dogo and Tutu wanted to go to North America. So I said, okay, let's go to North America till the time ma'am joins us. So Dogo is here
Wow.
in the studio for the first time. Dogo, you want to say anything to Purva ma'am?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Uh, okay, so let's move to our book, the storybook we are watching. So we are in the North America storybook and we have just seen polar bear. Dogo, I think this is your favorite. Other places of North America are very warm all the time. These are deserts in some of these areas. There are rainforest in others. And this is, can you take a guess what it is?
I think it's a gecko.
I don't like
Gecko?
this. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm.
No, it is not gecko. So here is a
Ah,
question for
I
all
don't
the
like this.
students. Yeah, I will not give you the name. You have to identify this creature and you have to tell about this creature to Purva ma'am next day in your class.
Ma'am, I do
And
not
I
like this creature. This creature freaks me out. Mm-mm.
okay, so let me turn the page out. Now there are big cities also in North
Ah,
America.
thank you.
Can you identify which city I'm posing on?
New
I
York.
think this is New York.
Yes, it is New York. And what is the name of this building? Any clue?
It's
Ma'am,
the
there are a
World
lot of
Trade.
buildings.
No, the one which is in the center, having, I mean, the tallest one. So I
I
think
think
this
it's the
is
World Trade Square or something.
Oh,
no.
okay.
Again, there is a question for you all to find out this building. You have to find out and tell Purva ma'am next time in your class when you are
Oh,
moving tomorrow. Okay,
Can I
and
tell it?
you, pardon?
Can I tell the name of the building? I just remembered it.
Yes, tell me.
I think it's the Empire State Building.
Oh, Tutu, you must have given some chance to people to think about what what is the building. Anyway, if you have taken the name, I give it to
Sorry.
you. It is Empire State Building. Yes. Okay, so there are some farms as well, and many different kinds of people make their homes in North America, and there are alligators as well, and crocodiles as well.
Hmm.
There are
Hmm.
many famous places in North America, and this is in Mexico. And it's the site in Mexico. I have not been to Mexico, so I don't know much about it. So you can Google and find out. So this was all about North America. Any question you have, or anyone of you wanted to talk about anything? Yes. So how was this book?
It was fantastic.
Amazing.
To, to you have been visiting the Epic Library every time. Can you suggest some books to our students?
I mostly like to read some fantasy books. So
Fantasy
there
books?
is, yeah,
Okay,
there
so
is one
can
series which I am reading. Its name is Creature Campers.
what is the name of the book?
Creature Campers.
Okay, so let me write down here so that I will able to see. Creature
Ma'am,
Campers.
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, Doggo wants to speak. Ma'am,
yes.
Doggo says that there's a good book about his enemy cat, but that cat is a good human thingy. His name is Ninja Cat. He's super awesome. I like his stories.
Okay,
Cat
so
Ninja.
I'll come to you, Doggo. Just give me 1 minute. So this is the book you're talking about, Doggo, Creature Campers.
This is the fourth book.
Okay, so this is
Yeah,
the
this is
title
the
you are
one.
asking, right? Okay. So all those students who
Yeah.
wants to be the part of this epic library, you have to contact Purva ma'am and she will add you in this library. So this is my library on the epic, and I can allow you as a teacher to read the books here. So if any one of you interested, please tell Purva ma'am to add you in the epic library, and there you can start building up. So I can show you my students in the library. I have students here and they are reading every day. So I can study the student logs, that how many students are reading what. So as you know, Tutu talks about all this. So I'll show you, I have Param as my student online, and he has read till now how many books? Where is my log gone? Okay, it is taking some time. Yes. So let me go back. So if you can see, 32 books Param has finished. Pooja ma'am is also my student and she has yet to start her reading. And Moksh Manglani has finished her 28 books, and I have finished only 3 books right now. So the maximum number of books is read by Param Manglani. So all of you students, those who want to be part of my class, you can be part of my class. So, and I want to show you the book Doggo is suggesting. Doggo, you want me to see Ninja Cat?
Yes, Cat Ninja.
This, the silent monster of Katfu. Okay, so Moksh is suggesting all of this doggo is suggesting all of us this cat
Yes.
ninja book. What is the story of this cat ninja? Doggo, if you can answer.
There is a cat who live alone, and a old woman uh, uh, adopt him, and then
Okay, so you suggest people to read this book, all the students, those who are watching the YouTube live right now? Okay. I think there is some network problem. Everybody is still in this camera right now. Okay, Purva, what do you say? People should register in the Epic Library.
Yes, ma'am. I also saw a few of the books yesterday, and it's amazing to see how you flip the pages of the book, how you can read so many things from this library. It's ample number of books you can go through. Ample number of books. Whatever
Okay,
topic you want to take, the book is available for you there.
okay, that's nice. So we request all the students, those who want to participate in the reading club, they can join us. Purva, just help people to get along with it. You can take the help of me as well. Once you have number of people, those who are looking forward to join, we can add them in our list and they can start reading there. So that's it
Okay,
for
ma'am.
the class today. Thank you very much. We will be right back in 2 minutes with the new video which talks about India. So this comes to an end, and if anybody is interested watching some continent other than North America, you can please tell us. So we will cover. So North America was my favorite continent, so I have covered it in detail. Otherwise, for coming 3 days, we will be talking about India. So here we will do Indian city and capitals and cities and states for India. So we will be back. Thank you, Tutu. Thank you, Purva. And thank you, Doggo. I think
Thank
some
you.
network
Bye
problem
bye,
is over.
everyone.
Thank you. Bye.